Hello everyone, welcome to Hobby Kid channel. This is the first experiment I have uploaded in my YouTube channel. And in the Arduino series, I am going to explain each and every code I have used in my project. Here is the code I have used in my first project. I have used ultrasonic sensor, Node MCU and Blink application. The ultrasonic sensor consists 4 parts, 4 pins, that is VCC, ground, trigger and echo. The trigger pin is connected to 4 and echo pin as 5. These 4 and 5 pins represents the pin numbers of Arduino Uno. When coming to Node MCU, the trigger pin is connected to D2 and the echo pin is connected to D1. D2 trigger and D1 echo. I have defined blink print as serial because in order to reduce the space and the typing stress, whenever I have used the serial, it represents as blink print. I have included the Node MCU's libraries and the Blink application libraries. I have given the auth token as character and SSID and password as character even. In my void setup, I will begin with 9600 as delay time and I will initiate auth token, SSID and password to connect to Node MCU. And the pin modes I have used is the trigger pin as output, the echo pin as input and an LED as output. LED as output. When coming to void loop, let me explain these part of lines a bit later. While coming to this line, the output of this session gives the distance calculation, and if the distance is less than or is equal to 90, then V0 will be high. The V0 and V1, V2, V3 I have used is LEDs. If the distance is less than or is equal to 90, then V0 will be high or else it will be low. Like that, for distance less than 70, V1 will be high. Like that, I have used for 50, 30, 10, 10. Now, the serial print will be as distance and it will be in centimeters. And I have initiated V5 pin to represent the data of the centimeters. And I have given the 200 as delay and initiated the blink run. While coming to this part, first let me explain this one. This is the transmitter and it is a receiver. This is an obstacle. The transmitter transmits the signal, and if there is any obstacle present in the transmission path, then the signal will get reflected, and the reflected signal will be called as echo and it will be received by the receiver. The transmitter generates signals continuously. If the distance of the object is nearer to the sensor, then the time taking to receive the echo signal will be low. So that by using this technique, we can measure the distance. We know that distance is equal to speed into time. By this formula, we can calculate the distance. The formula to calculate this distance is delta t is equal to time delay, c is speed of sound, d is distance measured. And the speed of sound is 343 meters per second, as we know that. As we are measuring in centimeters, we will change units. 343 meters per second is 0.0343 centimeters per microsecond. And the sound takes 29.154 microseconds to travel 1 centimeter. 29.154 microseconds to travel for 1 centimeter. Distance d is equal to delta t by 2. The by 2 here represents the time taken only for the receiving signal. That is, the delta t is time delay for the total signal, but I will be consider only the time taken by the echo signal. And 29.154 I have used here because the sound takes 29.154 microseconds to travel per 1 centimeter. So that I have used 29.154. Now let us consider a time delay of 500. 500 by 2 is 250, and by 29.154 we'll get distance as 8.57. That was the total trick in the ultrasonic sensor. I have used the as duration and distance. First, I have initiated the trigger pin as low for 2 time seconds, and then for time seconds 10 I have increased the trigger pin as high. As it is a loop, continuously the transmitter will be transmitting the signal. And if the trigger pin low, duration is equal to pulse in echo comma high. That means the echo signal will be high. Distance is calculated by duration by 2 by 29.1. This duration is speed of sound. Delta t time delay. So here the duration by 2 by 29.1. So this is the total meaning of this code.